Yeah, Western States is a 96-year-old company that makes centrifuges, and we've always made centrifuges. We specialize in centrifuges. We've been doing it for a long time, and we continually to do it better and better.
When I try to describe Western States, it's such a dynamic company. We've been around for almost 100 years. One of the things we got going for us is that history that we've been able to build on. This company's been built on the shoulders of some really dynamic leaders over the past 100 years.
Our centrifuges are the result of many, many years of design and refinement. The main thing that makes our centrifuge better than the other centrifuges is the fact that we are focused and have been for a number of years on producing a high-end quality product.
Our machines are American made, and we're very proud of that. We feel our engineering can match anybody's in the world. These guys have hundreds of years experience combined between them of working on centrifuges. We don't work on anything else from that plant. All we work on is centrifuges. We concentrate. We know centrifuges. That's us. That's Western States.
We have a very large engineering department here. The department is really split into two pieces. One piece is the R&D function, which is committed to innovating the new products that we're producing. The other function is committed to improving the existing products that our customers have already purchased. And they're constantly looking at the products that we have in the field, seeing how we can improve those products with modern technology. So we build a very robust machine and we maintain that machine forever. We have customer engineers that are available 24/7 to go to anywhere in the globe to maintain that machine. As a matter of fact, we do business in 35 countries globally.
One of the things that sets us apart from our competition is we maintain anywhere from $6 to $7 million in inventory. All right, that inventory are spare parts for all the machines that have been made over the years. And when a customer is in a crisis situation and their machine is down, they're looking for prompt service. By us having that inventory in stock, we're able to satisfy that need.
So we have a very large warehouse here at this facility that has parts in it to service all of our customers' machines. Machines made in the past, decades ago, machines made yesterday, and we maintain that inventory so that we can provide on-time service to customers.
When you look at our state-of-the-art facility, you can see that we have the ability to handle just about anything that comes our way. We are hands down far and above anything our competition has.
The facility that we're in is a state-of-the-art facility. We designed it ourselves. It's designed for our specific manufacturing processes. It has room for growth in it. We can increase capacity, we can increase capability, and stay right here in this location.
If I were to describe Western States in one word, it'd be dynamic. And the reason I say dynamic is because when you think of Western States, we've been able to innovate. We've been able to modify our approaches. We're not a one operation company, all right? Even though our product line is focused, we're able to go with the market, and because of that, we're still in business today, and we're still growing. That's an unbelievable situation, and we're really excited about that.
Our machines today are the best machines we've ever made. We're continually innovating the machine, adding new features and functionality to it. The machines that we have today are the highest performing machines that we've ever made, and they have the least maintenance cost. And the reason is because we're constantly innovating. The result is when you buy a Western States machine today, you buy the best machine that we've ever made. And if a client has an older machine, we will upgrade his machine with the latest engineering components that are available to us. We're constantly looking at older designs and adding new components to them. So if he desires to keep his old machine, he can keep it up to date. And we're the only people that are doing that. Our competitors obsolete their machines. Our competitors' machines do not last as long as our equipment lasts.
During peak production, your plant runs 24/7. A centrifuge is down, which means reduced sugar throughput and reduced profit. Every hour lost is critical. What's the solution? Call the Western States 24-hour emergency service hotline. Western States has expert field service engineers available worldwide, around the clock, 24/7, 365. Our field service engineers can come to your facility and help you with any issues, process improvements, maintenance training, or anything else you might need. We have a highly trained, full-time field service team, determined to provide you with superior service and immediate solutions. Western States provides maintenance training classes on site, covering everything from our original Roberts centrifugals to programming the latest VFDs and PLCs. We can design and customize service contracts to meet your specific needs. Preventative measures can save thousands of dollars in costly parts, downtime, and unnecessary maintenance. Our service team provides assistance worldwide, day or night. The next time you have an emergency, a question, or simply need our help, call Western States 24/7, 365 at 513-863-4758. The Western States HMI, or Human Interface Screen, is a feature unique to our Titan batch centrifugals. When the HMI is powered on, the first screen is the main menu. From the main menu, you can access the operation screen, which is how the centrifuge is normally operated. Additional screens that can be accessed from here include maintenance, help, and alarm history. The operation screen is the primary screen for running the centrifuge. From here, you can return to the main menu, adjust timers, set feed parameters, and look at performance and diagnostics information. Additional details displayed on the operation screen include feed parameters, cycle time, vibration level, RPMs, and the machine cycle. Notice the upper right-hand corner. The system clearly defines the current operation. Right below, each phase is illustrated in real time during the pre-flush, loading, ramp-up, spin, braking, basket valve, discharge, and completion cycles, providing you both text and visual system cues. To operate the machine, you first check or set the timer and feed values for the type of sugar. Then select the auto mode or manual mode of operation. Automatic mode will run unattended cycle after cycle. Manual mode will require operator input to start the machine and load the basket each cycle. Operators press the green start button to begin a cycle and press the red stop button to end a cycle. Also, the red cycle stop button can be pressed on the operator station, which is just to the right of the HMI screen. If starting in manual mode, the load button must be pressed to begin loading the machine with Massaquite. In either mode, manual or automatic, the omit load button can be pressed to stop loading by shutting the feed valve. Other options from this location are to operate in either sequence or recycle while in auto mode. Recycle is the normal method, allowing the machine to repeat cycles without delay. The sequence mode will only allow the machine to start the next cycle after receiving a start command from a sequencer system or PLC. Manual discharge and jog modes can also be selected from this screen. Besides the operation screen, other screens are available from the HMI. The feed parameters screen is used to set the initial valve open position as well as the requested basket fill percentage. The process timer screen allows you to set the times for various portions of the cycle. More importantly, you can set two independent sets of timers to quickly switch between two Massaquite types, as well as select water or steam for each wash cycle. The performance screen displays cycle time, cycles per hour, wall thickness, and Massaquite volume. Each category shows current, previous, and average values for comparison. The input status section of the diagnostics screen shows the position of various switches and contact positions. An all green screen status indicates the centrifuge is ready to start. If the centrifuge will not start, this screen is helpful in troubleshooting. A bar graph indicates vibration level and can be monitored for trends and/or vibration transducer operability. The preventative maintenance screen outlines maintenance items to be performed and their frequency. When pressing the Maintenance Hours button, the screen displays the area where maintenance intervals and machine run hours are tracked. The Load Control Calibration screen is used to calibrate the mechanical paddle-type load control. The process and the steps for calibrating the load control are presented on this screen. The Commission Options screen is used by Western States field service engineers to select optional equipment configurations for a specific centrifuge. For increased safety, an on-screen alarm is provided. The alarm history screen will display the date and time of alarm events as well as acknowledgements. This information can be useful in determining a particular sequence of events or identifying problem trends. For a real-time demonstration of our HMI technology, please call Western States at 513-863-4758. Email us at innovation@westernstates.com or visit our website at westernstates.com. The QuadraClean filtering centrifuge features a discharge system designed to promote easy and complete recovery of the high-value solids. The discharge system employs a steep vertical inclined discharge chute and works in conjunction with the proven and reliable Western States monocut discharger. The monocut discharger uses a full-length plow blade with replaceable cutting tip to remove the product in a single inward motion, which is positioned to promote the flow of the solids into the open area of the chute during the discharge cycle. The single in and out movement of the discharger eliminates the need for vertical seals, which can be sources of contamination. A heel removal system can be added to assist in the removal of the residual product cake to provide a superior discharge system. The QuadraClean filtering centrifuge utilizes a flat bottom basket which can be easily inspected and cleaned. The basket is highly perforated to provide efficient purging of the liquid and provide maximum loading of the high-value solid product. All Western States centrifuge baskets are designed to be the safest in the industry, with a 2.0 safety factor. The internal and external surfaces of the basket side sheet are fully machined and parallel. The finished basket seam is fully X-ray inspected and dynamically balanced for optimum performance at 900 plus G-force.